Hello guys, welcome to this copy trading video. This video is all about Binance Copy Trading. So a lot of requests has been made on my Telegram channel that I should make a video on how to copy a trade on Binance. Now this is going to be the video. This is going to be a well detailed video. So as you can see, Binance recently made an update which really changed everything on copy trading. So what I'm going to be showing you are the best filters that you have to apply when you want to copy an experienced trader, and how to find out an experienced trader that you should be copying in order to maximize your profit on Binance Copy Trading. So before I proceed, I urge you to please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to encourage the algorithm to boost it to people that need it more also. So let's get started. So for us to get started in the Binance Copy Trading session today, the first thing we're going to be doing is that we're going to be clicking on the trade section of this. So when I click on trade, I will scroll to this place, and then you see this place they wrote copy. I'll click on copy. So now this is the copy trade section of Binance. So as you can see, there are a whole lot of people to follow in this copy trading. Now in copy trading, there are two different people. There are the masters, which are the leaders of the trade, and then there are the copiers. So if you're already an experienced trader that you want people to copy from you, you can always click to become a master. As you can see here, they said become a spot copy trader. That's, if you click on this place, that means you already have a portfolio and then you want people to be following your lead. But for newbies who doesn't know how to initiate a trade and who would want to copy trade and want to do it the right way, this video is for you. So now in the copy trading, there are two ways you can copy a trade. You can either copy a trade as a spot copy, that's here, or you can copy for the future. So if I click on this drop down now, you can see that there's a futures copy and there's a spot copy. So I'm going to be discussing the futures copy today, but it's still a similar way. If the video did not go too long, I will touch the spot copy, but let me start with the future copy trading first. So I'm going to click to select the futures copy. So now people that trade futures copy is that they trade the future market. It's not like the spot market. Spot market is totally different from future market. I will discuss this in detail if I should be touching the spot, or I will make a separate video for it so that this video will not be prolonged and make it boring to watch. So I just urge you to turn on the notification and then subscribe to this channel so that when I drop it, it will be easy to get. Okay, so this is the copy trade section of Binance, and then all these people you are seeing here are all the leaders in the leaders board and different people that you have not seen. Okay, so as you can see over here, you see this place, this is showing 30 days statistics of all of them. You can actually click on it to change it to any selected date of choice. You can choose it between 37 days, 30 days, 90 and 180 days. So I want us to leave it at 30 days to see the performance in the last 30 days. And then the next I'm going to also be looking at, you see this place here, they are showing us the categories on which they were placed. Now, so as you can see here, P&L means profit and loss. So it is showing us the people that have made the biggest profit to loss ratio, starting from the first to the last. So as you can see, this first portfolio here has made a profit and loss of $632,000 within the last 30 days. Okay, so that is what it actually mean. So if you click on the same place they wrote PNL, you may wish to sort it with another criteria. Now this one they wrote ROI, means return on investment, so it's going to narrow it down for people that have had the highest return on investment for the last 30 days. That is this thing you're seeing here, 30 days ROI. So as you can see, this person here has total ROI of 5,679 ROI, profit and loss, within the last 30 days. That's when we are sorting it based on ROI. Okay, so if you also click on the drop down, you see that you can also sort it with MDD. Now MDD is maximum drawdown. Okay, so now what here means is that MDD, let me just use in simple English, it means total loss that this person has made within the last 30 days. So as you can see here, within the last 30 days, this guy here has made a loss of 0.0%. okay, and then his profits within the last 30 days is 12,951 US dollars. Do you understand? So this person here also has made a distance of 0%, a loss of 100%, zero. And then if you click keep going down, it will bring from the best to the worst to you. Okay, so that is it. So if you also come over here in the place where selecting the categories, you may wish to filter it based on asset under management. Asset under management means someone that has the highest amount of money that they are managing. Okay, so if you also click there, you can see a lot of criteria which you can use to make your decision. So if you click on copier, it means someone that has the highest number of people that are currently copying him. All right, so as you can see here, you can see that this person is actually having 1,000 people copying him. That's the maximum capacity of people he can accept is 1,000, and he's already having 1,000. The second person is having 792 and is already having 792 over 900 of people that he can accept. Okay, so if you also come here and then this was the wrote copier's profit and loss, is going to show you the profit and loss that his copier has made. So this one here has his copier has made estimated amount of this, followed by this person, and so on. But that is not how I choose my the person I want to copy, because I want to do a multiple filter so that I will be able to reduce some of these people you are seeing here. So what do? What I do is that I come over to this place that is written 99 plus. So when I click on it, I should be able to input different criteria that I want to base my copy on. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to leave it on this 30 days, and then I'm going to choose in this place the road tags. I'm going to choose top performer. Okay, so when I click on the top performer, remember I'm sorting things out, then I'll be like this place the road 30 days ROI. I want to choose people that have made a profit of at least 25% within this last 30 days. So I'll click to select it, and then all over here I want to choose this was the wrote days of trading. This one I want to choose somebody that have started trading for at least more than 30 days, not anything less than that. If I uncheck any of them, that means I can even copy someone that just started trading today. So I'm going to click from 30 days and above, and then assets under management, I'm going to leave that unchecked. And then this place they wrote minimum copy amount, I will click on this place they wrote less or equal to 10,000 of $10, because some people don't have more than $10 to copy. They just want to give it a trial. So I'm going to click on this, and then after making my filters, and then I'll just click on this place they wrote confirm. So now as you can see, this is what we were able to find. It's just one person that matched through everything that we require. Okay, so as you can see here, the problem I have with this person with this is that he has a maximum drawdown of the last 30 days as this, which is not okay for me. So I'm going to also widen my search, but this is how I do my research to at least filter out the bad ones. Okay, so let's assume that at the end of the day I decide that okay, I want to copy this particular person. This person is already having 144 people that are currently copying him. I will just click on this place they wrote copy. So when I click on this place called copy, you can see that there are two different ways I can copy this person. I can actually copy this person as a fixed ratio, that's this place, and then or I can copy it with a fixed amount. Now let me explain to you what this thing means. When you say fixed ratio, let's assume that what I have on my account is $100. If I enter $100, that means that if the person is copying with 50% of whatever that is in his account, that means 50% of my $100 will be used. If he's using all his net worth to copy, that means all my $100 will be used. So I don't like going for this fixed ratio, so I go for the second option, which is a fixed amount. So in fixed amount, I have more access, I have more control over the amount of money I want to use to copy this trade. Okay, so let's do it. So here now, in this first place they wrote cost per order. I want to say that for me to copy any trade, I just want to copy with only $10. Okay, and then copy amount here means total amount of in my wallet. Okay, so I'll go to choose total I want to use all these things for the copy. That's, let's assume that this guy will be initiating 3 trades. Okay, I want each trade to be copied with $10. That is what this thing actually means. So this second one I just selected, everything in my wallet, is the total amount, but each of the trade that will be executed will be copied with $10. All right, so now I don't want to auto invest it, and then I don't want to set up a stop loss. I want the stop loss and take profit to match with his own. If he's making profit, I'm making. If he's losing, I'm losing. So I will be using everything that is using. So all I have to do here is to click that I've read and agree to terms and service. Then I'll click here, and then I will also watch and make sure that I saw everything, and then I'll click on confirm. So now, as you can see, my trade has started copying, and as you can see in the set, the copy trade has started successfully. So if I want to see the detail of my trade, I can just click on this view. So when I click on this view, no trade has been initiated. You understand? So I can always check back here. If he copies, I copy. If he doesn't copy, I don't copy. So that is how it is. I hope you learned something from this video. I urge you again to please like this video if you have not liked it, and then hit on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.